Archbishop mar kanisa mar Anglican e pachoka Jackson Ole Sapit oseyo chenro mag sirkal mag dongruok mitimo e gwenge mopogore opogore kowacho ni gin mana siasa kendo onge olemo magidhi nyago. Sapit owacho ni chenrogo ok tim dongruok moro amora konyiso sirkal mondo oket omendago e gik madwarore mochuno kaka chulo omenda matayo sikunde. Kolose skundni Limuru bende noseyo lweny mag siasa masani medore kowacho ni mago dhi rocho kwe ma e piny Kenya.
Handouts will never change anybody's life. They will get and finish it in the evening with the leaguers and other bad things. But when you teach people how to work and make sure that we have markets for our crops, I think what the government need to be putting all the money, being spent in these barasas and even these mini campaigns that we see around the country, be it of the opposition of the government, is translate that money to our schools. Now our principal are crying because the capitation is not enough. They cannot keep our students for as long as we wish them to be in school. We want the funding model of the universities to work. We want the healthcare system to work. But we also want the agriculture sector that the government should put infrastructure in place so that every farmer will have opportunity to take their produce to their farm in time because there is a good road. We have to condemn with the strongest terms emergence of goons or disruptors of anybody's meeting or curtailing freedom of association and speech, because that is enshrined in our constitution. And anything that is thuggery is outdated and barbaric. Anything that is thuggery is sin in the eyes of the church and in the eyes of God. And therefore, if you are being used to do a sinful act, it will earn you hell. If you do the right thing, you will earn blessing.